Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Airbuds 6. In this video I'll show you gestures for your headphones. In the beginning, take a look at the left earbud and tap once on this area to decrease the volume. Tap 3 times to select previous song. On the right earbud, tap once to increase the volume and tap 3 times to select next song. Now for each earbud, tap twice to play pause, long tap for 1 second to activate voice assistant, tap twice to end and answer calls, tap twice to answer third-party call, to end call, long tap for 2 seconds, and to factory reset, tap 4 times on each earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.